Hi, hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be on how to teach the concept of seasons with the help of the DIY activity idea with the available home resources. Before moving on to the video, if you are watching this channel for the first time, then my name is Asha. I am a mom of a 4-year-old kid. In this channel, IGROW. I do videos related to parenting, homeschooling, lifestyle and motherhood. And if you are new to this channel and you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please do subscribe the channel and watch so that you never miss any of the videos that I am going to upload in the future. So without any further ado, let's get started. Tell me, what is this?
Hat.
This is
Shoes.
okay. This is
Shirt.
t-shirt. Okay.
This is skirt.
Skirt. Very good. What season is this?
This is summer.
Okay. How does summer looks? It looks very
Hot.
hot. Yes. So where do you go during summers? Do you go to
Beach.
beach? Now tell me, what are the things that you can use during summers? Cap, shorts,
Short. Dress.
dress, sunglass,
Sunglass.
bag,
Bag.
sandals,
Sandals.
swimsuit.
Swimsuit. autumn season.
Okay. See how the leaves are? The leaves looks
Dry.
dry. Okay. What are the things that you can wear?
This
Jumper,
jumper,
boots,
boots,
shoes,
shoes,
and trousers.
and trousers.
Yes.
This is snowman. So cute. Jacket, yes. This is coat. Coat. This
Woolly
is
hat. Woolly hat.
woolly hat.
This is scarf.
This is scarf.
This is socks.
This is sock.
This is gloves.
This is gloves.
Yes.
This is winter season.
During winter season, you feel?
Cold.
Hope friends, I think you would have enjoyed watching this video. Then if so, give a like, share it with your friends and families. Then apart from this, I also write blog articles related to parenting, homeschooling, lifestyle and motherhood. If you are interested in that, please do read those articles. It will be super helpful. And also I sell workbooks, flashcards in my website. I have given all those links in the description box below. The new workbook is available now in my website. That is an alphabet workbook. It is actually combined of 50 pages which includes all the basic tracings and alphabet tracings. At the same time, it also includes 10 super activity ideas that will help your kids to learn alphabets very easily, because which I found successful with my kid. I have actually combined and included all those activity, and I have formed it as a book, so that please do try it with your kid. Helpful for the kids to learn alphabets in a fun way. I have given the alphabet workbook link in the description. If you have any queries related purchasing the book, then please do DM me on my Instagram page, where I will be active and answer all your questions. Let the right thing reach the right people at the right time. Take care. Bye bye.
Click the bell button. I grow, you grow.